Hey guys, happy Tuesday. It's October the 13th. I have switched things up today. Let me move your book up here. I have included chapter 2 in your New Mexico history book chapters. So we're moving on. We're in chapter 2. You'll find your book here. For today, you have CNN 10, and you need to write me 3 facts down that you learned while watching today's bell ringer. And then we have Chapter 2, Lesson 1 lecture. But what I've done is I've put all your notes in a different tab. So when you do test corrections, your Chapter 1 notes are here, but for today, your Chapter 2 notes are here to follow along with the book while you listen to the lecture. So just those 2 things today. Do your CNN 10, 3 facts. Take your notes down while you listen to the Chapter 2, Lesson 1 lecture.